Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube tutorial channel. Today I will be discussing about how to update your driver in Windows 10. So for someone to do that in the system has to go and click on Windows sign here, then go and click on device manager. Then you click on device manager, wait for a while. As you can see, then we click on this drive, then click on this, then this is where the driver is located. As you can see, driver details, you can check on the driver details. Also you can update, as you can see down here, and you can also uninstall it if you don't want it. You want to install another one that you have inside your system. So for someone to update, you'll be clicking on this one. You click on update. Maybe you have the setup in your system. If you have it, you can just search it or browse it on your computer here. But if you have network, you can go and search it online. So for me now, I want to search it online. So as you can see, Windows has determined the driver software for your device is up to date, and that is what they said. My driver it's already updated, so no need for me to update my driver. So thank you very much for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like the video. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any suggestion on this video, you can comment below at the comment section. Thank you very much.